Reviewing cause and effect, the cause is why something happens, and the effect is what happened. And some of our key phrases that help us identify that we're looking at a cause and effect in the author's text are if, then, led to, consequently, as a result, this caused, because, since, therefore, and so. The great thing about these key phrases or key words are that it helps us quickly identify a cause and effect in a text. Some examples are, Amy blew an enormous bubble with her gum. That is the cause. The effect is gum splattered all over Amy's face. Another example, the cause is Ben left a gallon of milk sitting on the counter all day. And this one has two effects. One, the milk smelled horrible when he opened it. Two, Ben had to throw the milk away. Our next cause, Kendra skipped eating breakfast before leaving school. The effect, Kendra had trouble concentrating on her schoolwork. That may happen to you guys sometimes. Cause, Blake forgot to plug in his iPad to change the battery. The effect, Blake's iPad suddenly stopped working. That may also happen to you guys, especially with these Chromebooks. So on your next slide, you are going to either be given a cause and you have to come up with the effect, or I'm going to give you the effect and you have to give me a cause.